YouTube TV doesn't allow you to directly choose a new billing date, but you can change it by adjusting your membership timing. The billing date is always based on the day you start or restart your subscription. Here's how to shift it to a new date. Start by opening YouTube TV on your phone or browser. Tap your profile icon, go to Settings, and select Billing. Here, you'll see your current billing date and plan details. To change your billing date, you must pause or cancel your membership. Choose Pause or Cancel Membership. If you pause your membership, it will restart automatically after the selected period, and you will be billed on the day it resumes. This effectively moves your billing date forward. If you choose to cancel, your subscription will remain active until the end of your current billing cycle. When it expires, simply restart YouTube TV on the exact date you want your new billing cycle to begin. That date becomes your new permanent billing day. Keep in mind, you won't lose your recordings. They are stored for 9 months. Restarting early will immediately create a new billing date. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.